Hi. In this video, we're about to embark on a journey into the art of building strong supplier relationships. Get ready for a fun and informative ride as we sketch out the 7 steps to success. Step 1. Understand your supplier. It's like getting to know your new neighbor. Take time to understand your supplier's history, values, and priorities. The more you know, the stronger the connection. Step 2. Establish communication. A strong one is the key to any great relationship. Initialize regular and open channels to keep the conversation flowing. Think of it as sending a friendly hello. Step 3. Set clear expectations. Just like drawing a blueprint for a building. Define roles, responsibilities, deadlines, and quality standards. This clarity reduces misunderstandings. Step 4. Stay consistent. Be dependable, like your favorite morning coffee. Stick to your commitments, and your supplier will know they can rely on you. Step 5. Solve problems together. Teamwork makes the dream work. When challenges arise, tackle them together. Think of it as solving a puzzle as a team. It's more fun and effective. Step 6. Show appreciation. Express gratitude regularly, like sending a thank you card. Small gestures can make a big difference in building goodwill. The journey never ends. Strive for continuous improvement, much like building endurance. Regularly assess your relationship, gather feedback, and make necessary adjustments. And there you have it. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep sketching your way to supplier success.